Welcome, everyone, and congratulations. You're standing here in the MasterChef Canada kitchen because you are the nation's best home cooks.
This year, we've handled things just a little bit differently.
I'm going to MasterChef!
Looks beautiful.
Thank you very much.
So I'm gonna see that liquid center when I cut into this egg.
Yes, chef.
Oh yeah. You nailed it. The sausage is sensational.
Wow, thank you.
I mean, it tastes like it came from a butcher shop.
Oh my God, I've never cooked with coffee before.
This is savory, and my heart sinks and drops.
I can't screw up these scallops. Super important that I sear it hard.
It's not a big deal. It'll be fine. It's not a big deal.
Are you ready to see what you're working with?
Yes,
chef!
In here. Things are feeling a little bit chaotic. It's a complete disaster.
Perfect. Plate them. Put them down. Octopus down.
And this one is a little bit undercooked.
Yeah, that is undercooked.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show it to the blue team captain.
You want to show this one?
I'm totally sorry. This is completely unacceptable. I'm gonna fix this.
I'm just gonna have to accept my fate.
It is completely collapsed.
I've basically got creme caramel sauce.
Unacceptable.
Can we bring these people more chicken?
What do you think?
Yes.
Yes. What do you think?
Would love Let's to bring clean them more the chicken. plates.
This is a critical mistake too early on in the game, and I'm not happy about it.
I do not cook, so I'm just gonna do what I'm told.
Super gently. Don't push down. Just like,
Yep.
don't push it down, babe. You don't want to push it down.
Geez, Chanel.
I know. Yeah, maybe I'm bossy at times. Quick, quick, quick. Gotta move quicker.
Becky, quit chatting. Back to work.
See? The boss.
What's Jenny doing?
I have no clue. I just can't focus on one idea. It's just like a ping pong ball going off in my head.
I gotta stick to what I know and stick to what my dad taught me.
Looking good. All right.
We're walking in this beach area. It's called Cherry Beach. Not too sure what's gonna happen.
Never eaten in a fancy restaurant before. Never been to a fancy restaurant.
This is a game of nerves because one slip and you're out.
And I think we deserve to be standing on that balcony.
So, okay.
If you screw up one element in this cake, you are done.
Sounds a little straightforward, in my opinion. This is an elimination challenge, remember?
I'm not going home. Oh God, I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Now it's just a matter of putting it all together.
All right, Andre, Jennifer, for the last time, are you ready?
Yes, chef!